Hi, Russ from RNS Raceway. Before I start this video, I want to reach out to Boone from Boone's Slot Car Garage. He's great. He has amazing YouTube videos. Just check it out one day. But Boone had an accident. He fell from a ladder, broke ribs, punctured a lung. I mean, he's pretty jacked up. So if you would, try to go on Messenger or something, or send him some kind of message that, you hope he gets well soon. But Boone, I know my viewers and myself, our heart goes out to you. Please get well soon, man. We'll see ya. Bye. Hello. Hi, it's Russ from RNS Raceway here in Washington. We're about 40 miles south of Seattle. But anyway, I like doing YouTube videos. We video the track, the races. I hope you enjoy them. If you haven't been on my channel, it's simply Russell Paver Slot Car Page. So if you'll go on there, subscribe and like if you want. But I think you'll find some of the stuff is pretty good. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. I got some stuff from the LEB Hobbies, and I'll show you what it is. First thing I got was just a set of tires I ordered, some decals and things of that nature. Stuff to complete my race car. So here's the slotted Opel DTM. This is the series we're running right now. I'll take it out, let you gaze at it. Here we go. Now, isn't this a beauty? See if I can put a little more light on it. Very nice. The details are really nice. I mean, look at the decals on this that were done. Very nice. This is Team Roseberg, and the driver on this car is, I really don't know. But with that, look at the driver. Holy crap, man, this thing is awesome. So, anyway, can't wait to work on this, get it ready, race ready, and see what it'll do. Hope it's competitive. I'm sure it will be. But Robert and Lynn, LEB Hobbies, thank you very much for sending that to me. I don't get things for free. I pay for whatever I get. But I do appreciate them taking care of me. They check things over before they ship something out, make sure it's not defective. I'm sure you've all ordered from a place that will ship to you. You get it, and something's broke, it's defective, something's wrong. And you know, if it's a manufacturer, that's one thing. If it's shipping, that's still another thing. You can see the wrapping paper and stuff that LAB Hobbies did. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the car. Ooh, and I'll see you next time. Remember, Russell Paver Slot Car page. Easy. It's also on, that'll take you to my Facebook or my YouTube. So, all right. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and thank you, you too, very much. Have a great day. Woo!